So here is the full tutorial on Rytr AI. Rytr AI is an AI-powered writing tool that helps users generate high-quality content for various purposes like blog posts, social media posts, marketing emails, and website copy. So first of all, let's head over to rytr.me, then check out their pricing. So once you're here on this page, you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with free, unlimited, and premium. You can also check out their yearly and monthly prices. Now, let's go back to the main page. Click on Get Rytr, it's free. After that, you need to sign up using any of these options. And on the right, you can see all the platforms that it's available in. I will go ahead and click on Google, then choose my account from the options, then click on Continue. After that, you will be signed in to Rytr. So first of all, you need to select why you're here. So click on this drop down and choose from any of these options. I will go with writing articles and marketing content. You can select whichever one that you want and then click Next. On this section, we'll go ahead and click on Continue with Rytr. And as you can see, we're now in the Rytr dashboard. On the top and left panel, you have all of these options that you can choose from, starting with Create. Here, you can select your language from all of these options available. Just scroll through and choose one. Then, you can select the tone or voice from all of these options as well. So scroll through and select whichever one that you want. All these options are really useful. Then, choose Use Case. So here, you can select from any of these options, such as Job Description, LinkedIn Post, Newsletter, Product Description, Question and Answer, SEO Meta Title, Tagline and Headline, Video Description, Video Idea, or create your own use case. And if you scroll through the options, there are tons of options to choose from. For now, I will select Product Description. So over here, first off, you need to type in the product name. I will type in AirPods as an example. You can write whatever that is relevant to your case. After that, we have the About Product section. This is the description of the product, so you can put in some information about your product here. It doesn't have to be too detailed or professional, because Rytr will do just that. So for now, I will just type in something random. Then choose the amount of variance, and then set the creativity from the options. For this video, I'll go ahead and select medium. After that, click on Write for Me. Then, just give it some time, and once it's done, you will see the text right here on the screen. And as you can see, Rytr has created a professional description. And on the top, you can see the word count and characters. And if you select a certain section, you'll be able to see the amount of words or characters in that specific section. Also, if you go over to the R icon on the right, you will get to see all of these options to choose from. You can ask Rytr to make changes or adjustments to your selected section. And as you can see, there are multiple options to choose from. You can also change the tone by selecting from these options. For example, formal. After that, Rytr will change the tone immediately. Now, let's select this section once again, then click on the R icon, and this time select Improve. And after selecting Improve, you will notice that the Improve option is bouncing. That means Rytr is currently working on it. Sometimes it may take a little while, so be patient and wait it out. While Rytr is added, let's check out the options on the top. Select the text, and you can make it bold if you want. Then you have some other options as well, such as italic, underline, strike through. Then you can also set it as heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Also, you can set the text up as bullet points using these options. If you want, you can also add additional bullet points by pressing Enter and then choosing the bullet point option. This way, you can easily adjust your text and add additional sections according to your preference. You can also put in a link to your text. After that, we have options to insert image. If you want, you can click on this option and select an image from your device to upload onto Rytr. As an example, I will add a random image, and as you can see, it has been uploaded over here. This way, you can add any image that you want, be it for your articles or product descriptions. Then, going back to the top, you can set the position of your text using these options. Using these options, you can customize all the sections of your text. So, let's go ahead and add a heading. I will type in AirPods on the top. Then select the text and choose heading 1 from the top. After that, let's align it to the middle. So this way, using all of these options available, you can use Rytr to write your content and then use all of these tools to customize your text and make it look professional. The good thing about Rytr is that it provides a lot of options to customize your text, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Now, let's go ahead and remove all of this. After that, from the options, we will choose another use case to try it out. So, let's go ahead and select video idea. After that, you will need to put in some keywords in this section. So as an example, I will type in YouTube tutorial. This way, you can put whatever that you want. And just like we did before, let's choose variants. Here you have 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's choose the tone of voice from the top. I will select casual for now and click Write for me. And as you can see, Rytr has generated 2 variants of video ideas that I can use for YouTube. And since I used YouTube tutorial as the keyword, it gave us generic ideas on how to create a YouTube channel. But if you want to get more specific ideas, you will need to use the proper keywords that are relevant to your needs. So let's try out replacing the keyword with AirPods review. You can type in the keywords that are relevant to your channel. Also, you can add more than 1 keywords with up to 250 characters. And after clicking Write for me, as you can see, the new topics has been added right here on the screen. And honestly, they're pretty catchy. So after getting your ideas, you can make relevant changes or ask Rytr to make it better by using the improve option or other tools that you want. And once you're done, you can go over to the 3 dots on the top right and download your file in whichever format that you want. For example, PDF, docs, etc. Now, let's check out the other sections like documents, chat, and history. This is where you can see all your activity history. Then, we have tools on the left panel. Here, you have the option for custom use cases, but as we saw before, you need to upgrade to premium. Lastly, we have settings. This is where you can configure the technical aspects of your Rytr account. On the top, you have all of these sections to check out, so go through them and make any necessary adjustments according to your needs. Here on the profile section, you can also change the theme to dark, then click on Update Settings. And as you can see, the theme has been successfully saved. So that is the full tutorial for Rytr AI. Using this, you can create professional writings for any use cases.